Now guys, I want you to imagine, what if you had a bot that you can give commands to and it will make thousands of dollars in commissions every single week for you? Sounds a bit unrealistic? Something that's not possible? Well, in this video I'm going to prove to you that it's possible using the power of AI, which is artificial intelligence, to grow your online business. Now this is not a get rich quick scheme. You won't become a millionaire overnight. This takes hard work, and this is not a fake bot that has been promoted on other YouTube videos. Now the bot that I'm going to introduce you to completes valuable work and gives out tons of value to your leads and your audience. Now I'm talking real value that other businesses have to work on very hard. Now this method is beginner friendly and you don't have to have any previous experience because the AI software is going to do all the hard work for you. And I'm here to walk you through this entire tutorial step by step, so you can go from zero to making thousands of dollars using artificial intelligence. All you need to do is sit back and watch this entire video, and I'm going to show you everything you need so you can have the best chance of succeeding with this method. But before we get started, I want you guys to kindly help me out today and reach our goal of 200 likes. So please kindly go ahead and drop a like below this video. Now with that being said, let's jump into step number 1. Alright, so first things first is we need to sign up for an affiliate network so we can start promoting our offers. Now there's a bunch of options online, but I prefer Digistore24, ClickBank that you already might know of. There's more like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and much more. But I'm gonna stick with Digistore24 for this video. This is one of my favorite affiliate networks. So first of all, what you wanna do is click on the register now button, and you need to register as an affiliate, right? So you need to fill in all this information, your phone, your country, your address, and then once you have all of this filled out, make sure to click on this little icon and click on register for free now. So I'm gonna log in for you guys and I'm gonna show you how to pick a high converting offer. So once you have an account, head over to the affiliate marketplace, and here you can see over 698 offers in all of these different niches. So as you can see, you have the business and investment niche, you have the fitness and health niche, and for this video I'm gonna decide to go with the personal development niche. So this is a niche that teaches how to make money online. So this is a wealth niche. Alright, so right off the bat you can see that the Genie script is the first offer in this niche, sorted by the sales rank. It pays out 80% commissions and just under $50 per sale. So this would be a good offer to promote because as you can see, this is sales rank number 4 in digital products, so this is a very good converting offer. So I'm going to use this offer for an example on this video. But when you scroll down, guys, you can see that there's a bunch of offers in every single niche. Right, so I'm going to choose this one. So all you have to do is click on promote now to get your affiliate link, and this is your special link that you need to share. And whenever somebody comes to this link and purchases the offer, you're going to make a commission of $50. So I'm going to copy it and we're going to use it in just a second, right? So now that you have a high converting affiliate offer from Digistore24, now it's time to go out there and give our leads massive value using the AI artificial intelligence tool that I was talking about at the beginning of this video. Now also, if you're enjoying, make sure to smash that like button below and let's keep moving forward. Alright, so now that we have an offer on Digistore24, we can go ahead to step number 2, and that leads me to the artificial intelligence tool, which is Writer.me. Now Writer is an AI writing assistant that helps you create high quality content in just a few seconds. And let me show you guys that this is also a free tool. You can generate up to 5,000 characters per month, which is more than enough to make money with this strategy. So we're going to be using this AI tool to write valuable content online, so we can monetize our Digistore24 products, so we can sell them to as many people as possible. So go over and create a free account on Writer.me. I'm going to log in and I'm going to show you how this tool works. So once you log in, you can see on the left hand side, you can select the language, which is English. I'm going to target English speaking countries because this is an English offer. So we're going to target countries like United States, United Kingdom, New Zealand, much more. And with the select tone, you want to select informational, right? So as you can see, you have a a bunch of voices, tones that you can pick from, but I'm gonna go informative, right? So because we're gonna be giving out information. Now choose use case. Now this is, as you can see, you have so many different options. You can write blog ideas and outlines. You can do business ideas, call to actions, emails. You have product description, profile bio. You have song lyrics, basically testimonials and reviews. You have so many different options to choose from. But for this video, we're going to be writing a valuable blog post. We're not going to be posting the blog, but I'm going to show you how to do this in just a second. We're going to click on blog idea and outline. Right now we need a primary keyword. Now this varies based on your niche. So since I'm in the personal development niche, and this is something to do with manifestation, so I'm going to target the keyword manifestation. But if you are in education, you would choose education, or email marketing, you would choose something like make money online or email marketing or something like that. So personal development, I'm going to target the primary keyword manifestation. Now for the number of variants, this means how many types of variants you have for the content. You can choose this one. Creativity level, just choose optimal, and now you can click on write for me. And in just a few seconds, this is gonna write a nice, valuable article for me. So as you can see guys, this is the article that has been written for me so far. This makes 100% sense. This is not some type of, words stuck together. This is actually a meaningful piece of content. So what is a manifestation and how does it work? So 5 ways of using your manifestation to make your ideal life happen. So we have keywords, the 3 secrets. Now that's not all guys. Now you can highlight one of the sections that you like, right? So for example, 5 ways of using manifestation to make your ideal life happen. And now you can choose rephrase, paragraph, continue writing, or you can expand, shorten, and append. And as you can see guys, this has expanded the section that I selected and has created more content on the actual phrase. So now I'm gonna finish up the entire article so it looks nice, it gives out lots of value, and then we're gonna insert our affiliate links in this article. So I just finished up with the entire article, and as you can see, it only took me like 2 or 3 minutes to complete, and we have a nice looking valuable post that we can share online. So now we need to copy this entire article, go to googledocs.com and insert it in a new window. So we have a PDF file. So now that we have the article in the Google Docs, now it's time to add our affiliate links and our call to actions. So whenever somebody reads this post, they actually get value and they can click off of this article to learn more about manifestation. So I'm gonna do something like, I'm gonna add a space here. So we can leave a space for the call to action. We can do space here. And also we can add a space right here. So now it's time to add the call to action. So click here to manifest the life of your dreams. Something like this, okay? So now it's time to go back to Digistore 24, grab the affiliate link, go back to Google Docs, highlight this section, click on this little chain icon and apply the link, right? So just like this, and I'm gonna copy it and add it everywhere where I have added a space. So here, also we can do here and at the end, so just like this. So as you can see guys, now we have a piece of value that we can give out to people, and in return, if they find this post valuable, they're gonna click on the link and check out what we have to offer. And that is the Digistore 24 Genie script, right? So they're gonna open it, and if they're interested, they're gonna go ahead and purchase the product. So now make sure to save this as a PDF, and I'm gonna show you how to promote this online. So go to Files, all right, Save As, and click on PDF document. Right, so now that we have a Digistore 24 offer and we have a piece of valuable content in a PDF format, now it's time to hop into the traffic source and start pushing this PDF online to as much people as possible. So that leads me to step number 3, to go to slideshare.net This is a discover, share, and learn platform where you can upload your PDF, and as you can see, some of these PDFs are getting hundreds of thousands of views. For example, this one has 100,000, this one has 600,000, this one has let's see, 373,000, and this one has 800,000 views. So as you can see, this is a traffic source that not many people know about. It's very underrated and it hasn't been shown on YouTube before. Now what you want to do is once again create a free account, and I'm going to show you how to upload your document, fill in all the important keywords, and get as much traffic as possible. So make sure to sign up, create a free account, and I'm going to log in and do that just now for you guys. So once you have a free account, make sure to click on upload, and now select the document that you want to upload, right? So the AI document, and now it's time to verify, and you want to fill in all of this important information. So your title, the category, description, the tags, basically everything, so you get as much traffic as possible. So you can skim through your article that you have written. Make sure it's much longer than mine. I mean, I done this just for you guys, just to show you how easy it is, but make sure to put in some time and effort into making the article look nice. So the title I'm going to use is "What is manifestation and how does it work?" The category that I'm going to put it in is obviously self-improvement, and the description is a short description of the PDF that you're offering. So here you want to open your article and copy a few words from your PDF format and add it inside here. Now for the tags, you want to add keywords like manifestation, self-improvement, self-development, and keywords like this that are going to help rank you on slideshare.net. This is going to drive people to your PDF. Now you also want to click on public, and your score increases as you pick a category, figure out a long description, and add more tags. So your discoverability score, make sure it's all the way to the end. Now I'm not going to add a description because I don't want to make this video too long, but you guys get the idea. Make sure to add your tags, your description, make sure to add your title and your category. Right, so now once you have all of this filled out, make sure to click on publish, and that's it for now, guys. All you have to do is sit back and wait for the views and for the commissions. Now obviously not every single article is gonna get hundreds of thousands of views, and that's why you need to do this consistently. And I'm talking 1 or 2 articles every single week on different topics. So you can do 10 articles in all of the niches on Digistore, and I promise you guys that you're gonna see sales rolling in every single day. This is what top affiliates are doing right now. This is what I've seen other people doing, and this is what works. So guys, I hope you found this video valuable, and if you did, make sure to like this video below and also subscribe if you're new. Make sure to comment down below if you're going to try out the strategy and what you think about this method. I'm really curious to see if some of you guys are going to try it out. Now once again, I'm very thankful and grateful to all you guys that are watching every single video that I publish. I see everyone that comments. Don't worry guys, I try to reply to all of you. My schedule is pretty busy as well, but I try to put in a lot of time into my YouTube channel so my content is top notch. So guys, thank you so much for watching once again, and I'll see you in the next one.